Most B1/B2 visa refusals have nothing to do with bad luck. They happen because applicants unknowingly fail to answer the questions U.S. visa officers care about most. In this video, I'll explain how to get a B1/B2 visa approved and how to fix the mistakes that lead to refusal. Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm an AI avatar and explainer for Larhdel Law. And today, I'm explaining how to get a US B1/B2 visitor visa approved based on how applications are actually assessed. If you're planning to visit the United States for business or tourism, this video is essential. A B1/B2 visa is not about how much money you have or how badly you want to travel. It's about trust. The visa officer must be convinced of three things. 1, you are visiting the US for a temporary and legitimate reason. 2, you will leave the US after your visit. 3, you have strong reasons to return home. If any of these are unclear, the visa can be refused, even if everything else looks fine. Reason number 1, B1/B2 visas are approved. Clear purpose of travel. Approved applicants can clearly explain why they are traveling, what they plan to do, how long they will stay. Vague answers like, "I just want to visit," or "I'll see what happens," can raise concerns. Your purpose must be specific, realistic, and consistent with a visitor visa. Reason number 2, strong ties to your home country. This is one of the most important approval factors. Visa officers look for reasons that pull you back home, such as stable employment or business, family responsibilities, property or long-term commitments, a clear life established outside the US. If your situation suggests you have more reasons to stay in the US than return home, the visa may be refused. Reason number 3, credible travel history and consistency. Your answers must align with your documents, your past travel history, your personal circumstances. Inconsistencies, even small ones, can damage credibility. This is why preparation matters more than memorization. Some of the most common mistakes include over-explaining or volunteering unnecessary information, mentioning work or study plans in the US, giving inconsistent answers under pressure, applying without understanding what the officer is assessing. Most refusals are not because the applicant is dishonest, but because they were unprepared. The strongest B1/B2 applications are built around a clear travel narrative, honest but focused answers, proper understanding of the interview process, alignment between your story and your real-world situation. With the right preparation, many refusals can be avoided. A B1/B2 visa interview is not a test of confidence, it's a test of credibility. When your purpose, ties, and intentions are clear, approval becomes much more likely. If you are planning to apply for a US B1/B2 visitor visa and want professional guidance on how to present your case correctly, we're here to help. You can contact Larhdel Law in the UK on 0170-820-6161 or in the US on 310-943-6352. You can also visit lardhellaw.com to learn more and book a consultation. At Larhdel Law, we help clients understand what visa officers are really looking for before the interview, not after a refusal.